Unity one as your sister's name and of the name of the book. A. We use as apostrophe as mostly for people or animals. Tom's computer isn't working, not the computer of Tom. How old are his children? Are his children of Chris? What is your sister's name? What's Tom's sister's name? Be careful, don't step on the cat's tail. You can use pick out a noun for it after it. It isn't my book, it's my sister's book. We use as when with a noun, Tom, friend, teacher. We do not use as with a long group of words. So we say your friend's name. But the name of the woman sitting by the door. Note that we say a woman had a hat for a woman, a boy's name, a name for a boy, a bird's egg, an egg laid by a bird. B. With the singular noun we use as my sister's room, her room, one sister. My Carter's house, his house. With the plural noun, sister, friend, we put an apostrophe at the end of the word. My sister's room, their room, two or more sisters. The Carter's house, their house, Mr. and Mrs. Carter. If a plural noun does not end in S, for example, men, women, children, people, we use as the men's changing room, the children's look for children. You can use S after more than one noun. Jack and Karen working Mr. and Mrs. Carter's house. C. For things, ideas, we normally use of the water of the book. The temperature of the water, not the water temperature. The name of the book, the owner of the restaurant. Sometimes the structure noun is possible. C. The water temperature, the restaurant, the owner. We say the beginning and middle of the top, bottom of the front, back side of the beginning of the month, not the month beginning, the top of the hill, the back of the car. D. You can usually use as of for an organization, a group of people, so you can say the government's decision or the decision of the government, the company's success or the success of the company. It is also possible to use as for places, so you can say the city, the world's population, Italy's prime minister, E. You can also use as with time words yesterday, next week. Do you still have yesterday's newspaper? Next week's meeting has been cancelled. In the same way, you can say today, tomorrow, this evening, Monday. We also use S or S with plural words with periods of time. I have got a week's holiday starting on Monday. Julia has got 3 weeks holiday. I live near the station. It is only about 10 minutes walk. Unit 81, exercises. 81.1. In some of these sentences, it would be more natural to use S or change the underlined parts when necessary. Who is the owner of this restaurant? Okay. How old are the children of Christ's children? Is this the umbrella of your friend? Write your name at the top of the page. I have never met the daughter of Charles. Have you met the son of Helen and Dan? We don't know the cause of the problem. Do we still have the newspaper of last Monday? I don't know the words of the song. What is the cost of a new computer? The friends of your children are here. The garden of your neighbors is very nice. I work on the ground floor of the building. The hair of David is very long. I couldn't go to the party of Catherine. Do you know the number of the man I need to speak to? Have you seen the car of the parents of Mike? What is the meaning of this expression? Do you agree with the economic policy of the government? 81.2. What is another way of saying these things used as far as a hat for a woman, woman's hat, a name for a boy, clothes for children, a school for girls, a nest for a bird, a machine for a woman. 81.3. Read each sentence and write a new sentence beginning with the underlined words. The meeting tomorrow has been cancelled. Tomorrow's meeting has been cancelled. The storm last week caused a lot of damage. The only cinema in the town has closed down. The weather is very changing. Tourism is an industry engaging. 81.4. Use information giving in complete sentence. If I leave my house at 9 o'clock and drive to the airport, I arrive at about 11. So it is about 2 hours drive from my house to the airport drive. If I leave my house at 8:40 and walk to the center, I get there at 9 o'clock. So it is from my house to the center walk. I'm going on holiday on the 12th. I have to back at work on the 26th, so I got holiday. I went to sleep at 3 o'clock this morning and woke up at an hour later. After that I couldn't sleep, so last night I only had sleep.